Hello designer, welcome back to DesignCoach. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add content in our design agency layout. For the content, I am using the ChatGPT. So let's start with the ChatGPT. I just go here and start ChatGPT. So in this ChatGPT, we just write down, give me content for the design agency layout is landing page. First hero section, and another one is our about sections, and the third one about section with 3 features and portfolio sections, testimonials, blog, and CTA. Let's start with this. See, in this ChatGPT will provide us the heading titles and some descriptions that will be help us to add into our wireframe. So this content we use in our wireframe. Okay, see, the first one is elevate your design brand and studying design. I just copy this and use. See, here is the already we define it, but we can use this one, and I just 48. Okay, now we are create subheading line. We have copy and use this in our here, and CTA button will be get started. I just copy this and use into the get started. In this we just creating our an image. In this image we can abstract modern visual mockup. In the later on we can add our images here. Now we are updating the content in our wireframe. So now we are in the about section, who we are. In this we just note down who we are, and the descriptions we are updating here. Okay, see, in this we have a 2 descriptions paragraph. So I just copy this and I will add into the second one, and there is a no CTA or no buttons for now, so we can update it later. Now we have a 3 core values. We add just creativity and use this content in our creativity features. User centric approach, copy this, use this, efficiency, and now we just add into this content. Okay, now we have a portfolio sections. Our works speaks for itself. Just copy this and paste it. Here is the some glimpse of work recent projects. So we just paste it here, and view full portfolio. We have button, so we can just add here our button text, view our portfolio. Now we have a testimonial sections. In this we also get the testimonial, what our client says. We add it, and now we have one testimonial example. Just copy these examples and paste into our client name and company name. So we just client name and company name. Same we can do for the second one. So when we are updating this content, the website gets real time looks. So how the content is work in our wireframe. In this we have some insights, block sections. For the block sections we are adding this insights and inspirations. We can also write subheading our blog. Also we can just say it here, testimonial, and for the work we have no subheading, so I just go here and pasting it here. Oh, something wrong. We just go, okay, selected this and pasting. After the pasting it here, it will be not vertical, so I just go here and tell them vertical, and the content all we need left, and here we can just see our work portfolio we can write. Okay, in the blog sections, stay up to date with the latest trends and designs. So we have a no sub description in this blog, so we can just use titles. We use this title in our page titles. Okay, now we have a no short descriptions for the blogs, so we can ask later on the ChatGPT, let's build some extraordinary results in the CTA. We just paste this content here and get free consultations in our CTA button. Get free consultations button. Okay, so here is the complete content we updated via using the ChatGPT. So it's a better to use ChatGPT for your designs. It will help you a lot in this. Okay, so now we have updated our content in Figma wireframe. Okay, now the live review here is then. See, okay, in this we can just add our about us heading and button we need to be remove it, or we can just click add your team page. See, now after adding the content it will looks live site. We can just add more about us, and here is the about us. Okay, hello friends, thank you to watch this video. If you like my video, please share, comment and subscribe.